to beat speedrun 4 in 0 deaths. We're gonna beat level 1 to level 14. No, 20. Level 1 to level 20. No. 1 to the candy level. Then we're gonna end it. Then we're gonna make another video later about me trying to beat the candy level in under 0 deaths. This is the part where I died when I try to upload this video. Let's see. Die. Mess up this. I died on the level after like the rainbow stuff. That doesn't count. That doesn't count. Because it's only it's only the deaths on this level. The only deaths on this level is if I touch the penguins. That doesn't count. That one doesn't count. The ones with little things that can hurt you, those count as a death. And also if I die, the only thing that counts is by hitting the ground into the void, and then hitting the ground, those grounds, or hitting it like an obstacle.
Hey, if I can get the oven going, you want some chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
Want some potato salad too?
Yeah, no.
No potato salad?
No. See, like, these don't count. These count. But the watery substances that are instantly near the ground do not count. Those do not count. It does count in those icy substances if I accidentally jump out where there's no obstacles. Then it counts. Okay, that's the red stuff. And also anything red that I touch, anything that has a liquid on it, type on it. Anything that's red I touch and die with doesn't count as a death. Also, so, yeah. Anything that's red, and that is near the stuff and that's near like platforms, if that's near like the ice thing that's right next to it, doesn't count. Those two don't count. Anything that I touch that's red and die don't count. Those deaths don't count. Like say these do not count. Anything that I touch that's blue or red and die with does not count as a death.
Gotta get this oven going, buddy. I'll make you a chicken nugget.
Okay. Now level. Let's see if we count under them. See, like if I fall down to the abyss down there, that counts. So one death. Video ends if I get a death. Just remember that. Anything that I touch that's blue or red does not count as a death. Anything that's green, yellow, or green, yellow, or pink, yeah, that counts as a death. But I'm not dying. Like, see, the ground is blue, so that doesn't count if I touch it. See, I'm making rules here. It's been 8 minutes already. No. Speed run. Speed run activated. Speed run activated. See, if I touch this black part, I die, and that counts as the video ending. See, this stuff down there is blue, so if I touch it, it doesn't count. I might get to level 60 and then end it. Then continue it off in another video from there. See, if I touch anything if I touch this green stuff, I die. And that counts. Anything that I touch, which that is yellow, that is blue or red, I lose in the big ones. Only 4 more levels to go until this video ends. And then I continue. Well, if I leave the game, before I start the video, I'm gonna try to get back to level 20, so I can lift it off from where I left it off. Please tell me the Candyland level is not at level 20, because I do not like that Candyland level. Say what? Anything that is like brown that I touch does not count as death. Anything that's brown. See, this level doesn't count. See, this level doesn't count. Because it's red. You see, it's red, so it doesn't count.
If it's red, then butter goes to bad.
Hey! Stop saying my real name! My real name is Jeremiah. Oh, no, please, 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 no! Wait, can I land on that? I have something to try. Well, if I try this, it doesn't count it doesn't count as a death if I try this. Okay. Oh no. I can do it. I can land on it. No.
See, this is the way it works.
What?
If it's red, butter has to go to bed.
No, it isn't.
If it's blue, butter gets to go to the zoo.
Hey! I am blue.
Then we're gonna go have you live in the zoo.
No! Grandpa, I'm making a rule.
Yeah, there. So you're better. Just sit in the chair, please, all the time. Quiet. You don't need that close. That's just right there.
Please! No! I don't want to restart! No! Oh. Why does this game hate me so much? Actually, guys, I think I'm gonna end it right here, so bye. I think I'm gonna get up back to this level next time, so yeah, bye guys.